Hello friends, welcome to my channel Food for Soul. I am Ishita and today we will be cooking orange chicken. Orange chicken is one of the most popular fusion Chinese dish. Although Chinese, it has its origin in America. Let's see how to cook this dish. We will need 500 gram of boneless chicken and 3 oranges. Make fresh orange juice from these oranges and we will use this to marinate as well as cook the chicken. To enhance the orange flavor, we will need some orange peels. Gently cut off the white portion as it tastes bitter. Then cut the orange peel into tiny pieces. It will give a pop of orange flavor when you bite into the chicken. We will need 1 tablespoon of orange rind. To marinate the chicken, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 5 tablespoons of orange juice. It will make the chicken soft. We also need to add the egg white from 1 egg. Mix this well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. If you wish, you can keep it longer. After 30 minutes, we will add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of maida. Chicken pieces should be well coated with corn flour and maida. This will help the chicken to become very crispy after frying. Deep fry the chicken pieces on medium flame. Do not crowd the pan. Fry the chicken pieces in batches. Take out the fried chicken pieces on a tissue paper to drain out the excess oil. To make the sauce, we will heat 2 tablespoons of oil and to that we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Fry this for 2-3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. The amount of vinegar will depend on how sour the oranges are. We will also add the orange juice at this point. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a boil. Add 3 tablespoons of honey and the orange rind. Let the gravy boil for 2-3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix it well in the gravy and cook till it thickens a bit. As the gravy thickens, add the fried chicken pieces. Coat the chicken pieces very nicely in this gravy. Every piece should be covered in this delicious tangy spicy gravy. Our orange chicken is ready to be served. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and fresh spring onion. I wish you could smell the aroma of this dish. Orange chicken is ready to be savored. Enjoy!